guys, it's Jack here at c47.com. I'm here today to bring you an unboxing and first impressions of the Alcatel 3T8 4G tablet. Let's take a look inside the box of the Alcatel 3T8 tablet. First off, we'll have the tablet itself protected in this plastic wrapping to help protect the screen from any damage during travel. The tablet itself does come with the necessities, including a 3.5mm AUX port at the top, alongside a micro USB charging port. The product we have here comes in the matte black finish. Comes with a micro USB cable, as well as a UK USB charging plug. You'll get a few little documents with your tablet as well. This includes information about Alcatel services, some charger information, safety and warranty information, and a quick start guide. So here I have the Alcatel 3T8 tablet. I've started it up, I've had a little look around, and here's a few things to mention. It comes with an 8-inch LCD display. It's got quite a nice picture quality to it, and it's also rather responsive. The copy we've got here is in a nice matte black finish. We've got the same available on our website. It comes with the AUX port, 3.5mm, so you can plug in your headphones, and it charges with a micro USB. A few things to note: it's got a 4000 milliamp battery. You can expect a few days battery life from that. It's also got a micro SD slot, so you can boost the storage up to 128GB, but it does have 16GB of internal storage in case that's enough for you there. You could also put in a SIM card for its 4G capabilities. It's also worth mentioning it comes with a 2-megapixel front camera and a 5-megapixel rear camera, just enough for FaceTime with family and friends or taking photos whilst you're out and about. It comes with Android 8, also known as Android Audio. It's one of the latest versions and it fits quite nice on the tablet's display, and it comes with Google Assistant, Google Lens, and a kids mode. Now that kids mode is something definitely worth mentioning. It comes with parental control. What that allows you to do is adjust in-app accessibility to limit what your kids can look at, or limit what times they can use the tablet, so you don't have to worry about them staying up all night watching videos on YouTube.